For many travelers, Italy begins in Rome, Venice, or Florence. Their ancient monuments, magnificent art, and world-famous architecture have inspired generations of visitors and helped define Italy's place among the world's greatest travel destinations. Yet beyond these iconic cities lies another Italy, where dramatic mountains, medieval hill towns, timeless valleys, and hidden landscapes reveal a country of extraordinary natural beauty. From the soaring Alps in the north to the sunlit Mediterranean coast in the south, Italy offers an astonishing variety of landscapes. Rolling vineyards, turquoise lakes, rugged mountain ranges, ancient villages, fertile valleys, and dramatic coastlines create one of Europe's richest collections of natural and cultural scenery. Every region tells another remarkable chapter in Italy's remarkable story. Rather than replacing Rome, Venice, or Florence, these extraordinary destinations complete the picture of Italy. They invite travelers to venture beyond the famous landmarks and discover places where spectacular landscapes, centuries-old traditions, and timeless communities continue to flourish. Our journey begins in the breathtaking Val d'Orcia, one of Tuscany's most beautiful landscapes and a place that has become synonymous with the Italian countryside. Gentle hills, vineyards, cypress-lined roads, and medieval villages create a landscape that appears almost impossibly perfect. From above, rolling golden hills stretch endlessly toward the horizon, while elegant rows of cypress trees follow winding country roads through vineyards and olive groves. Hilltop villages rise from the landscape beneath warm morning light as layers of mist drift across the valleys below. Every aerial perspective captures one of Italy's most iconic rural landscapes. Traveling through Val d'Orcia reveals quiet stone villages, peaceful vineyards, family-run farms, and timeless country lanes where life continues at an unhurried pace. Every village square and every hillside viewpoint reflects centuries of agricultural tradition woven into the landscape. Throughout the seasons, Val d'Orcia transforms beautifully. Spring blankets the hills in brilliant green, summer fills the valleys with golden wheat, autumn colors the vineyards with rich amber tones, and winter wraps the countryside in soft mist, creating an entirely new atmosphere. Leaving Val d'Orcia, winding roads climb gently through vineyards and olive groves toward distant hill towns where every bend reveals another breathtaking Tuscan panorama. The journey itself becomes one of Italy's greatest pleasures. Our next destination carries us to the extraordinary Civita di Bagnoregio, often described as the dying city. Perched dramatically atop a narrow plateau surrounded by deep valleys, this remarkable medieval settlement appears to float above the surrounding landscape. From above, the ancient stone village rises majestically from towering cliffs, while a narrow pedestrian bridge connects the settlement to the modern world beyond. Morning mist fills the surrounding valleys as church towers and medieval rooftops glow beneath the first light of day. Every aerial sequence reveals one of Italy's most extraordinary hill towns. Walking through Civita reveals narrow stone streets, flower-filled balconies, peaceful courtyards, and centuries-old buildings where every corner preserves the atmosphere of medieval Italy. The absence of traffic allows the village's timeless character to remain wonderfully intact. As the sun moves across the sky, changing light constantly reshapes the surrounding cliffs and valleys. Golden evening colors transform the ancient stone into glowing shades of amber, creating unforgettable views across the Italian countryside. Our journey now heads north into the magnificent Dolomites, where soaring limestone peaks create one of Europe's most spectacular mountain landscapes. Towering cliffs, emerald meadows, alpine lakes, and winding mountain passes combine to form scenery unlike anywhere else in Italy. From above, jagged mountain peaks rise dramatically through drifting clouds, while turquoise alpine lakes reflect towering cliffs surrounded by forests and flower-filled meadows. Scenic mountain roads wind through high passes beneath endless blue skies, creating breathtaking aerial landscapes in every direction. Exploring the Dolomites reveals peaceful valleys, crystal-clear streams, traditional alpine villages, and panoramic viewpoints where the immense scale of the mountains becomes impossible to forget. Every season brings a new character to the landscape, from vibrant summer meadows to snow-covered winter peaks. Our final destination in this stage of the journey brings us south to the remarkable ancient city of Matera, one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited settlements. Carved into limestone cliffs above a deep canyon, its remarkable stone dwellings tell a story stretching back thousands of years. From above, thousands of ancient stone homes cascade down the canyon walls beneath warm southern sunlight, while narrow streets weave through one of Italy's most extraordinary historic landscapes. As evening settles across Matera and the surrounding valleys, one truth becomes beautifully clear. Beyond Rome, Venice, and Florence lies an Italy of breathtaking mountains, timeless villages, rolling vineyards, and ancient landscapes where every journey reveals another extraordinary chapter of this remarkable country. As our journey continues across Italy, even more extraordinary landscapes emerge beyond its famous cities. Peaceful alpine islands, flower-covered mountain plateaus, dramatic Adriatic coastlines, and timeless rural communities reveal a country whose greatest treasures often remain hidden beyond the well-known tourist trail. Every destination uncovers another remarkable side of Italy. Our next destination is the tranquil Monte Isola, the largest inhabited lake island in Italy, resting peacefully within the crystal-clear waters of Lake Iseo. Surrounded by towering mountains and quiet lakeside villages, the island offers one of northern Italy's most peaceful and picturesque landscapes. From above, emerald mountains rise dramatically from the brilliant blue waters of Lake Iseo, while ferries glide quietly between charming harbors and lakeside villages. Narrow roads wind beneath olive groves and colorful rooftops as the surrounding Alps reflect beautifully across the still water. Every aerial perspective captures the peaceful elegance of this remarkable island. Walking through Monte Isola reveals quiet waterfront promenades, traditional fishing villages, flower-filled lanes, and timeless stone churches where the rhythm of daily life remains wonderfully unhurried. The absence of busy traffic allows visitors to appreciate the natural beauty that surrounds every corner of the island. Throughout the changing seasons, Monte Isola continually transforms. Spring fills the hillsides with colorful blossoms, summer brings shimmering lake reflections, autumn paints the surrounding forests with rich gold and crimson, and winter blankets the distant alpine peaks with fresh snow. Leaving the island, scenic lakeside roads follow the shoreline beneath towering mountains, where every curve reveals another spectacular panorama across the water. The journey itself becomes another unforgettable chapter in northern Italy's remarkable landscapes. Our next destination carries us high into the Apennine Mountains to the breathtaking Castelluccio di Norcia, one of Italy's highest villages. Perched upon an immense plateau surrounded by rugged peaks, this remarkable region becomes one of Europe's most colorful landscapes during the annual wildflower bloom. From above, vibrant fields of red, yellow, purple, and blue stretch across the plateau, while winding roads weave gracefully between mountain ridges beneath endless summer skies. The surrounding peaks create an unforgettable backdrop to one of Italy's most spectacular seasonal landscapes. Every aerial sequence reveals extraordinary color and scale, Walking across the plateau reveals peaceful meadows, mountain trails, and panoramic viewpoints where the beauty of the surrounding landscape changes with every season. Even beyond the famous wildflower bloom, the open grasslands and mountain scenery remain breathtaking throughout the year. As afternoon light moves across the high plains, drifting cloud shadows create constantly changing patterns over the colorful fields and surrounding mountains. Every hour brings another magnificent perspective across this remarkable landscape. Our final destination brings us to the spectacular Gargano Peninsula, where towering white limestone cliffs meet the brilliant turquoise waters of the Adriatic Sea. Hidden coves, ancient forests, and dramatic coastal roads combine to create one of Italy's most beautiful yet often overlooked coastal regions. From above, towering sea cliffs plunge into crystal-clear water, while secluded beaches curve beneath forested headlands, overlooking the endless Adriatic. Winding coastal highways trace the rugged shoreline as hidden sea caves and brilliant turquoise bays create breathtaking aerial landscapes at every turn. Walking along the Gargano coast reveals peaceful beaches, fragrant pine forests, traditional fishing villages, and scenic lookouts where the surrounding sea dominates every horizon. The dramatic meeting of cliffs, forest, and coastline creates an atmosphere unlike anywhere else in Italy. As golden evening light settles across the peninsula, the white limestone cliffs glow warmly above the sparkling Adriatic, while gentle waves continue to shape the coastline below. Every sunset transforms the landscape into one of Italy's most unforgettable coastal panoramas. One of Italy's greatest strengths is the extraordinary diversity found across its regions. Alpine mountains, medieval villages, vineyard-covered hills, ancient cave cities, flower-filled plateaus, crystal-clear lakes, and dramatic coastlines all exist within one remarkable country, creating one of Europe's richest collections of landscapes. Traveling beyond Rome, Venice, and Florence also offers opportunities to experience family-run vineyards, traditional mountain communities, artisan craftsmanship, regional cuisine, and centuries-old customs that continue to preserve the unique identity of every valley and village. These authentic experiences often become the most memorable part of any Italian journey. Scenic mountain passes, quiet country roads, lakeside routes, and dramatic coastal highways connect many of these extraordinary destinations, revealing breathtaking panoramas where every bend uncovers another unforgettable landscape. The journey itself becomes one of Italy's greatest attractions. Looking across these extraordinary landscapes, one conclusion becomes unmistakably clear. Italy's greatest treasures are not limited to its world-famous cities. Across alpine peaks, rolling vineyards, medieval villages, hidden coastlines, timeless valleys, and ancient stone towns lies a country of exceptional beauty waiting to be explored. As the evening sun settles across the Dolomites, Tuscan hills, tranquil lakes, colorful plateaus, dramatic coastlines, and centuries-old villages, the true spirit of Italy quietly comes into focus. It is a country where every mountain, every vineyard, and every winding road tells another remarkable story, inviting travelers to venture beyond the familiar and discover the hidden landscapes that have captivated generations for centuries.